This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll further explore the burgeoning automotive parts market, focusing on specific trends and their impact on the industry. From technological advancements to shifting consumer preferences, we'll uncover even more insights into the future of automotive parts. If you're ready to continue our exploration of this booming market, let's dive right in. Integration of IoT and AI. The integration of the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence, AI, is driving a revolutionary wave in the automotive parts industry. IoT technology enables real-time monitoring and data collection, optimizing the performance and predictive maintenance of automotive components. AI algorithms are transforming the way automotive parts interact, predict failures, and enhance overall efficiency. This seamless integration of IoT and AI not only ensures a fast-paced response to vehicle requirements but also unlocks a realm of possibilities for adaptive and autonomous automotive systems. These game-changer technologies are reshaping the automotive parts market, leveraging cutting-edge innovations to propel the industry forward. As we witness the convergence of electric vehicles, IoT, and AI in the automotive sector, it's clear that technological advancements are the catalysts driving the automotive parts market's growth trajectory. From batteries to sensors, from charging systems to predictive maintenance modules, each advancement underscores the industry's commitment to innovation and sustainability. By embracing these technologies, the automotive parts market is not just evolving. It's embarking on a transformative journey toward a more efficient, connected, and future-ready automotive ecosystem. Emerging trends in the market. The automotive parts market is continuously evolving, driven by various emerging trends that are reshaping the industry landscape. Let's delve into the key trends shaping the market growth. Sustainability initiatives. Sustainability initiatives have become a pivotal focus in the automotive parts market, with an increasing emphasis on eco-friendly practices and recycling programs. Manufacturers are actively developing sustainable automotive parts to reduce environmental impact. This shift towards sustainability not only meets regulatory requirements but also resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. By incorporating recycled materials and green manufacturing processes, the market is witnessing a surge in demand for sustainable automotive components. Customization and personalization. The rising consumer demand for customized automotive parts is revolutionizing the market dynamics. Customers are seeking unique and personalized products that cater to their specific preferences and styles. This trend towards customization has prompted manufacturers to offer a wide range of options, from bespoke designs to tailored functionalities. Automotive enthusiasts are willing to invest in personalized parts that reflect their individuality, driving market expansion in the customization segment. E-commerce penetration. E-commerce platforms are playing an increasingly significant role in the distribution of automotive parts. The convenience and accessibility of online shopping have transformed the way consumers purchase auto components. With a plethora of options available at their fingertips, customers can easily compare prices, read reviews, and make informed decisions online. The growing e-commerce penetration in the automotive parts market is reshaping traditional distribution channels and fostering a competitive environment among suppliers. As more consumers shift towards online purchasing, e-commerce is becoming a driving force behind market growth and innovation. Challenges and opportunities. Navigating through challenges and seizing opportunities is crucial for the continuous growth of the automotive parts market. Let's delve into the two sides of this dynamic landscape. Supply chain disruptions. In recent times, the automotive industry has faced significant supply chain disruptions, impacting the availability of essential parts. Factors such as global events, natural disasters, and economic shifts can create a ripple effect, leading to delays and shortages. To mitigate these challenges, companies are increasingly focusing on building resilient supply chains. Implementing diversified sourcing strategies, maintaining closer relationships with suppliers, and embracing digital technologies like predictive analytics and robotics can enhance adaptability and reduce vulnerability to disruptions. By proactively addressing supply chain vulnerabilities, automotive parts manufacturers can better ensure a steady flow of components and meet customer demands efficiently. Opportunities for market expansion. Amidst challenges, the automotive parts market presents abundant opportunities for expansion and innovation. Collaborations with other industry players, such as automotive manufacturers and tech firms, offer avenues for shared expertise and resources, fostering product development and market reach. Product diversification, including the introduction of eco-friendly components and advanced materials, can cater to evolving consumer preferences and regulatory trends, driving competitiveness. Embracing new technologies like AI-driven manufacturing processes and IoT-enabled solutions opens doors to enhanced efficiency and quality control. By embracing innovation and adapting to market demands, companies can position themselves for growth and differentiation in a rapidly evolving landscape. In conclusion, the automotive parts market is on a trajectory of continuous growth, driven by evolving consumer demands and technological advancements. As more vehicles hit the roads globally, the demand for high-quality replacement parts is set to soar. Manufacturers and suppliers in the industry are adapting to this fast-paced landscape by investing in innovation and expanding their product offerings to meet the ever-changing needs of consumers. The future of the automotive parts market looks promising, with opportunities for further expansion and development as the industry continues to thrive. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in this dynamic sector. As we conclude our series on the automotive parts market, we hope the insights provided in Part 2 have deepened your understanding of this thriving sector. Remember, staying informed is key to navigating the ever-evolving landscape of the automotive industry. Until next time, may your projects be successful, and your vehicles run smoothly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.